Hey guys, this is Thomas. Welcome back to another video. Wait, I don't look hipster enough to do a vegan recipe video. Hey guys, this is Thomas. Welcome back to another video. Today I have an easy vegan protein bar recipe for you guys. It consists of 5 ingredients. It takes 5 minutes. It's super delicious and it's a great snack before you go for a run, before you work out, or just for a snack in between meals. So stay tuned. Alright, so the ingredients. It's 5 easy ingredients that you should be able to get at pretty much every grocery store. So we have 1 cup or 150 grams of oats, half a cup or 100 grams of dates, 1 cup or 150 grams of dried cranberries, a third a cup or 75 grams of peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons of water. You'll also be needing a high performance blender. This can be a hand blender or any type of blender that you have at home, a mixing bowl, and a glass container of some sort. So we start off with putting the dates and the cranberries into the mixing bowl. Then you take your blender and blend the ingredients until you have a thick sort of paste. Now, as the sound of a mixer is not necessarily the most pleasant sound ever, I'll just go ahead and show you this video of a cat while I do the mixing. In the end, the blended mix should look a little something like this. Now, if the mixture is a bit too sticky for your blender, you can just add a few drops or even a tablespoon of water so that it is a bit more easy for the mixer to blend up the whole thing. Next up, you add the oats, the peanut butter, and the water into the bowl and just stir the whole mixture with a spatula. Now use your blender again to give the mixture another good swirl so that in the end your result will look a little something like this. Then you take your spatula and scoop the mixture into the glass container. Be sure to spread it out evenly and press down on the mixture so that the whole thing becomes a bit more compact. And here it is. Now, if you are in a rush, you can put the whole mixture into your freezer for about 30 minutes, or otherwise you can also just put it into your fridge for a couple of hours and then it's already ready to eat. And ta-da! Once it has cooled down enough, you can just slice the mixture into 16 pieces roughly. And then if you're hungry or are about to go out for a workout or for a run, you can just stop by the fridge, scoop out a piece, and off you go with a really healthy protein bar in your hand. And that's all there is to say to this recipe. You're of course free to leave out or add some stuff such as chia seeds, a different type of nut, or whatever your cooking creativity comes up with. Now I hope that you enjoy this delicious snack as much as I do. If you have any suggestions as to which recipe you'd like to see me do next, you can leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, be sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you next time.